Yunifásitì àjùmọ̀ní ni o, kì í ṣe yunifásitì Mufti o, kì í ṣe yunifásitì Sheikh Dende o. Yunifásitì àjùmọ̀ní ni o. Yunifásitì kí ni mo pè é? Àjùmọ̀ní ni o. Ẹnìkan ò ní ní ju.
Hamdan liman qad hadana للخير ثم هتدينا رب الأجنة إلهي حقق وبلغ منانا يا مالكي يا إلهي يا من يجيب كل مناجي شر مختار بدين من شر كل الأغاني قبله رب اليداسي من شر ما كان يؤذي أنزله عن المعاني يا من يجيب المنادي. بسم الفاتحة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Anakumullah, Sheikh. The 10 based on our time is 20, but I'm going to take fast forward to 25 minutes, sir. You summarizing everything in 25 minutes after 20 minutes, inshallah.
استعاذا بالله من العليم الرجيم استسلاما لحضرة الله الرحمن الرحيم استمدادا لحضرة رسوله لخلق عظيم. يا أهمة الشيخ اهتم لنا في هذا المحور فتحظى فيه بنظرة تأتي لنا بصفا. الحمد لله والعبد لله والعبادات لله ما بكم من نعمة فمن الله. اللهم صل وسلم وكرم ومجد وبشر ومنير على سيدنا ومولانا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق وناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره وامتدانه العظيم. حضرة رأس الولاية المكتوم المختوم الشريف الفاسي والليس الفاسي أبو العباسي الشيخ أحمد سالم المختار التجاني حملة الخلاصية والأدبية والعلمية والحلمية أبو الفيد وصاحب الفيد بركة الأركات وبركة هذا الزمان أبو البركة وأبو الرحمة الشيخ إبراهيم وعبد الله نياس
رضي الله تعالى عنه.
حضرة الشيوخ والمقدمين والمقدمين والمريدين والمريدات السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
وعلى السلام. كذلك شو طيب ما على بركاته. That's
أقول أو كنت أمامكم خادما ومحبا وصديقا لأنسى نفسي وأنسى إخواني بما يستحق منا من سير الأخوة في الله والأخوة بالله والأخوة لله وهي اتحاد واتفاق في تقدم الإسلامية وتقدم الطريقة وتقدم الفائدة الحقيقة. اجتماعنا هذا إن دل على شيء دل على أخوة الإسلامية والإيمانية والإحسانية، لأن ربنا رب الإحسان ونبينا نبي الإحسانية، وشيخ طريقتنا الشيخ بجميع المراتب شيخ الإحسان، وصاحب فائدتنا شمل وجمل الإسلام والإيمان والإحسان. We give thanks to Almighty Allah. We give salutation to the Hijrah of Muhammad Rasulullah. We ask for abundant blessing of the soul of Sahib al-Wilayah Ahmad bin Muhammad Tijani, Sibti Bashir Rasulullah. We ask for abundant blessing of Allah on the soul of Sahib al-Fayda Sheikh Ibrahim Niass Khadim Rasulullah. This call is a call of brotherhood. This call is a call of love sharing. This call is a call of reconciliation, focus on what is more important, most important in our life, and that is progress in the brotherhood under the leadership of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, under the guidance of Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. How can we be progressive? How can we be brothers in progress? How can we unite? How can we focus on what is expected of us? How can we mind our business? How can we come together as one and brainstorm on how to redeem our image as Sufi, how to redeem our image as Muslims? We are far lagging behind. But before I go into the main reason why we should come together, why we should unite, I have to observe protocol. I have to follow moral ethics of this religion and of Tasawwuf, Tariqat Tijani, by appreciating and welcoming my leaders. When I say my leaders, I meant all of you here sitting, present. I'm just an obedient servant to all of you. The position of Mufti is a position of an errand boy. Anyone who is ready to serve is the best person to be given the position of Mufti. Because when you serve, the reward from Allah is to give him the position of leadership. Sayyidul Qawm Hadi wa Hadimul Qawm Sayyid. That is the hadith of Muhammad Rasulullah. If you serve, You will be compensated in the position of leadership. If you really want to be a leader, be prepared to serve. And nothing but a servant that is ready to serve all of you in the cause of humanity, in the cause of Islam, in the cause of Tariqah to Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, in the cause of faith to Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. I humbly tender my apology to all of you for giving it fit to invite all of you here. Why all are the leaders? But when an issue is of importance, it does not matter who comes. What matters is solution. What matters is result. The junior can call his senior to attention, and the senior can also call his junior to attention. That is what I've just done by calling you people to come and let us discuss. Why is our unity shattered? Where is our love that we inherited from our mentors, from our spiritual fathers? Where is that care that is expected of us as the student of Rome, as the student of Adam, as the student of love, Habba? That's all is for you to be recognized as somebody who does not know anything except what Allah wants, except what Muhammad cares for, except what the Awliya embrace in their spirit, except what Allah loved the most, which is love sharing, which is brotherhood, which is unity. I want to recognize the presence of our Sheikh, the Khalifah of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani in Lagos. I'm sending my greetings through him to the Khalifah of the whole West, Edo and Delta, and from the upper Khalifa to the utmost Khalifa of the whole Tijaniyyah in Nigeria, Khalifa Sheikh Muhammad Sanusi, and from him to the top of the supreme leader of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, under Sheikh Ibrahim Niass, Khalifa to Sheikh Muhammad with Sheikh Ibrahim Niass, from him to the epitome, the zenith of Tijaniyah in fast, our Khalifa of today. From him downward again to all Khulafa, especially the lineage of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, lineage of Rasulullah sitting here among us, Sharif Muhammad al-Mahmud, so the Khalifa I've mentioned earlier, to our Sheikha under the umbrella of Awaliya, to all the Shuyukh Khulafa sitting here, every one of us is a Khalifa. You know the greatest Khalifa? The one that holds the morals and ethics of Islam, Tariqah Sheikh Tijani, and the son, Faith Sheikh Ibrahim. If you are an upholder of the morals and ethics of this household, you are the Khalifa. Khalifa is not by turban. Khalifa is not by regalia. Khalifa is not by what we wear. Khalifa is how rich are you in mind? How rich are you in heart? How rich are you inward? That is the reign of Khilafah. Khalifa is the upholder of Almighty Allah in his mind. Above every other person, Sheikh Ibrahim was asked, who is a wali? And he said, Al-wali, man la yujad fi qalbihi suwallah.
That means to watch the account.
Al-wali, man la yujad fi qalbihi suwallah. He is a wali. And how can you know this? It's by what he displays in the service to Allah, commitment to Allah, gives people under him respect, gives people that are colleagues respect, gives people above him respect. Do you know why Rasulullah is leader of Anbiya? Because he respected them, he placed them above himself. When he was asked, Anta Karim, he said, I'm not a Karim. Yusuf bin Yaqub. Yusuf bin Yaqub bin Ibrahim is the Karim. He is a Nabi. His father is a Nabi. His grandfather is a Nabi. I'm just an orphan. In Makkah. How can I be Karim? When somebody whose his lineage, when somebody whose his lineage is Anbiya is there and you can't be Karim. Look at me. Humility. Humility. This is what we stand for. This is what we represent. After observing that, my respect for all of you, I'm saying to all of you respectively, and as a man of seeking for forgiveness from all of you that are taking your time, have intruded into your program. I'm saying to all of you, istighfaran wa ta'ziman li hadratikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Now, why are we here? The first thing I want to say is that we are all murid of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani. We are all murid of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani. Whatever position you answer in this fold does not make you greater than your brother. What that position means is you are to serve your brother more than he serves you. If you are a sheikh, you are expected to serve the murid more than whatever service the murid is giving to you. Much is expected from you to the murid, but we don't understand it this way. We think murid is our slave, and we are his or her master. It is not so. You are the slave as a sheikh. You are the slave of the murid, and murid is your master. You cannot become a sheikh. So that's the reason you cannot become a sheikh if you don't serve it. So you cannot become a sheikh without serving the murid. It's your servitude to the murid that skyrockets you to whatever level you want to go to. If you're not a servant of murid, then you are not a sheikh in spirit, but just a sheikh by name. The sheikh in spirit, the sheikh that is worthy to be called a sheikh is that sheikh that is committed to the service of murid. If this is what it takes, why are we out of ego hating each other? Why are we out of pride backbiting, discriminating, blackmailing our brothers? Names, group names, individual names are ways of getting what is expected of us, getting our right worldly in this world. The real thing that binds us, the real bond, is that we are all murid of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani. Group names should not distract us.
Yeah.
Individual positions should not distract us. The real thing that should be our focus, keep the ruh and the ma'ani. The real thing that should be our focus is how you are going to keep the bond between you and your brother to the presence of Almighty Allah.
Also,
How is this bond going to be serviced, kept, preserved, maintained
and so to speak.
to the presence of Almighty Allah? Sheikh Ahmad Tijani said to us, Alaykum bi islahi anfusikum. Al-umru qasirun. Al-umru qasirun wa safar tawilun. والحساب بين يدي الله شديد والمنجي من هذه الأمور الأمر بالمعروف والنهي عن المنكر والمحبة بين الإخوان. الأمور كثير. Your lifetime is short, so make peace between yourself and your brother before it's too late, because the time is short. This is from Sheikh Dende. Was suffering. The journey is long. You have not achieved anything. So leave distraction and focus on the main thing, which is the bond between you and your brother. This group named Tijaniyyah, Ansar, Rule Islam, and all this is just a structure to get what belongs to us in this world. The spiritual thing that is our bond is that we are all murid of Sheikh Ahmad Tijani. That is what should be our bond. That is what should be our bond. Names of groups should not distract us. Positions should not distract us. We are lagging behind. Look at what our competitors, our co-travelers have achieved. Ẹ̀wọ̀n nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ àwọn akẹgbẹ́ wa nínú ẹ̀sìn tájọ́ rìnrìn àjò, ẹ̀wọ̀n tí wọ́n ti gbé ṣe. NASFAT láti ní yunifásitì. Ansarudeen wọ́n ti ní yunifásitì. Gbogbo ìjọ oríṣiríṣi nínú Islam yìí tó ń jẹ́ àwọn tá a jọ ń fi gbàgbàgbà nínú ìjẹ́tọ̀ Ọlọ́run, wọ́n ti mú nǹkan ṣe. Kí ni àwa Súfí kí la ṣe? Ansarudeen ń gbé kèdí àjà, kèdí àbá kìíníjà.
Here's the cause in you.
Why ti Sheikh Ibrahim ṣe dẹ́n tó ń bàjá? Why ti Sheikh Tijani ṣe dẹ́n tó ń bàjá? Alẹ́ ni tó ń bá wọn jà, but àwọn ò lè ń tẹ́ wọn bàjá. Ìdí nìyẹn táwọn tó ń bá wọn jà ò ṣe rí ṣe táwọn rí ṣe. Because àwọn ò gbà pé àwọn ń bá èèyàn jà. Èèyàn ló ń rò pé òun ṣe kí ni? Òun bá wọn jà. Irú ẹ̀mí tó yẹ kó wà lára wa nìyẹn. Àìlẹ́ni tá à ń bá jà. Ẹ tó wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bá wa jà òun ló mọ̀. Àìlẹ́ni tó ń bá jà yẹn ló máa jẹ́ kọ́ lọ́n gbèjà ẹ̀. Yóò máa jẹ́ kó orí ṣe. Tábà dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé gbogbo tá a bá pé ṣe iyì ní fún Sheikh Tijani, iyì ní fún Ànábì Muhammad, iyì ní fún Sheikh Ibrahim Niass. Ṣé ká ṣe dáadáa sínú àgàtà Sheikh Ibrahim àti Sheikh Tijani ló yẹ kó jọ wá lójú, àbí ká máa jọra wa lójú? Ìṣe dáadáa sábẹ́ àgàtà Sheikh Tijani àti Sheikh Ibrahim àti gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa, ṣóun ló yẹ kó jọ wá lójú, àbí káwa fúnra wa máa ṣe kí ni? Ká máa jọra wa lójú. Èwo ni ẹ ká fi sílẹ̀ fún kan? Ìjọra wa lójú ló yẹ ká fi sílẹ̀. Ohun tí ó jọ àwọn bàbá wa lójú ká mú yẹn ṣe. Ohun tí ó jọ wọn lójú ni pé bọ́n ni pé àsìkò tá a wà nú ẹ̀, àwa la mú nǹkan rere ṣe jù. Àsúfí ibnu waqtihi.
Wow.
Àsúfí ibnu waqtihi. Súfí kì í lẹ́yìn nínú àsìkò ẹ̀. Báwo ni àwa ṣe gbé? Súfí ló máa ń gbáwájú nínú àsìkò ẹ̀. Sábà ò kí ṣe Súfí ni kọ́sá bá jẹ́ Súfí ohun tó fi mọ̀ wá ni wípé àwa la máa ń gbáwájú nínú àsìkò wa. Táwa ò bá wá lè gbáwájú nínú àsìkò wa, ó ń túmọ̀ sí wípé àìtí ìjẹ́ Súfí kékeré.
Wasn't on a silk way. It was good.
Táwa bá lè gbáwájú nínú àsìkò wa, ká mú nǹkan rere ṣe ju gbogbo àwọn ìjọ tó kù ní Islam lọ. Á túmọ̀ sí wípé àkọjú mọ́ Súfí wa. À ń wá ìjù. À ń wòran jù. Súfí kì í wòran, Súfí la máa ń wò. Ibi tí Sheikh Ibrahim fẹ́ wà, ibi tí Sheikh Ibrahim máa jókòó sí, ta ló fẹ́ wòran bí bẹ́ẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sí Sheikh Ibrahim? Ibi tí Sheikh Tijani bá jókòó sí, ta ló ríran ní wo bẹ́ẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sí Sheikh Tijani? Báwo ni Súfí ó ṣe máa wòran ìwọ tí wọ́n ní ká wá wò? Tó bá mú nǹkan ṣe, ìwọ ni wọ́n máa wò pẹ̀lú náà nílé. Tó bá rí nǹkan ṣe ló máa wo àwọn tí wọ́n mú nǹkan ṣe. Àìrí nǹkan ṣe rẹ ló jẹ́ kó sàwọn tó mú nǹkan ṣe di ìran, ló jẹ́ kó sọ gbọ́dọ̀ ta. Ó mú nǹkan ṣe, ó ní lọ́wọ́ kó máa wòran, bàbá rí ẹ̀wò. Ẹ̀dàkùn ẹja pàwọ́ pọ̀, nǹkan mẹ́ta ń bẹ pẹ̀lú wa tá à ń waste. Nǹkan mẹ́ta ń bẹ pẹ̀lú wa tá à ń waste. A ní ìjọ tó pọ̀, orúkọ tá à ń fúnra wa yóò jẹ́ ká lè ní àǹfààní púpọ̀ wa, kò jẹ́ ká lè jẹ́ àǹfààní púpọ̀ wa. Padà báńkì yẹ, ẹ dákun, tá a bá lè jíròrò bá ṣe jíròrò ìtàdá báńkì yẹ tí gbogbo ìjọ account wọ́n láyé máa kọjá UBA. Mélòó ni kọ́sọ́mà UBA? Ní Nàìjíríà yìí, ẹ̀wọ̀n Tijaniyyah tó wà ní Nàìjíríà, káṣí báńkì kan lórúkọ Tijaniyyah, kí gbogbo Tijaniyyah wá ṣàkáùntì. UBA máa wà lẹ́yìn wa, Zenith máa wà lẹ́yìn wa, First Bank gan máa wà lẹ́yìn wa. Okay, online bank ló tún dé OPay, ilẹ̀ pè wọ́n, BankPay. Kí ni ẹ tún tẹ̀kì láti ṣe? But ìrònú wa kò gbà bẹ́ẹ̀, gbà tó yẹ pé àṣàrò bá fi ìdí àjà. Gbà tó yẹ pé bàbá TV sọ pé bàbá TV ò lọ́lá tó. Ìgbà wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ pa àwọn ọmọ pé kẹnu sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tí mọ̀? Àwọn ọmọ náà tó yẹ kí wọ́n wọra wọn pé àwọn bàbá wa ìkọ́rọ̀ ní wá, àwọn náà ń gbèjà. Ìgbà wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ ṣọ̀rẹ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ yá bàbá wọn nílẹ̀ akáyà àsìkò? Kíkà ló kúkú látẹnu ẹ̀, mi ò lọ́ta ní ilé débi tí ma lọ́ta ń ta ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Nínú ilé ni tọ̀líkọ̀, ìta ni gbogbo Mùsùlùmí tó kù, àti ilé àti ìta wàláhì àlọ́ta. Tá a bá mú èrò yìí sínú ọkàn, àní lọ́wájú. Tó o bá ń wọ̀ ọ̀tá ni ó máa bájà. Ọ̀tá àrẹ̀mọ ọmọ tó dẹ́nà búṣẹ̀ tí ó tún orí ìkọ̀ ṣe, ò ní lè bájà o. Because òun ti wí ìyẹn ló jẹ́ kó o máa rọ́ta. Náàsù ti wí ìyẹn ló jẹ́ kó o máa rí. Tí náàsù bá wí ìyẹn, ta ló yàn ká fún ẹ? Ìpítà pè yí ìpè àwọn ọmọ ìyá káwá jókòó papọ̀ ni. Ìpè ní ìtọ́bá padà máa pè gbogbo ilé pátápátá la máa ya aṣojú. Ní oní gbogbo ìjọ o, Gbogbo ilé pátápátá la máa yan aṣojú. Tọ́gbọ́n dẹ̀ yan aṣojú nínú gbogbo ilé, gbogbo ìjọ tí wà ń bẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ṣèbí ilé náà ló papọ̀ ló dìjọ. Ìjọ ìjábọ̀ láti sánmà ni. Àwọn tá a jẹ́ ní Tìjàníyà náà lápapọ̀ lásán lọ́wọ́ ti. Ìjọ tó bá ti yan aṣojú nínú gbogbo ilé. Má dàda. Àkọ́kọ́ èyí tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ ìta mú ṣe torí èmi ń sáré ilẹ̀ tá a máa fi ṣe, mo ti sáré ilẹ̀ tá a máa fi ṣe ń sì báyìí. Kó má bàa ṣòro láti bẹ̀rẹ̀, òun ni kí Tijaniyyah ní yunifásitì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ṣẹ́ni yunifásitì ilé ayé ó ti di ní. Special something to máa wà. Yunifásitì òní. Ayé ó ti di kan ní yunifásitì. Tábà ti mú aṣojú ní gbogbo Èkó, a yan àwọn tí wọ́n máa fún wa ní ìmọ̀ràn. Nínú àwọn bàbá wa. Àwọn tá a mú tó jáṣojú gbogbo ilé yìí, àwọn ni wọ́n máa jíròrò lórí àwọn ọmọ ló yẹ kí wọ́n jókòó ṣètò yunifásitì yìí. Àmọ́ kọ́rọ̀ yìí máa bá àwọn lásán. Ilẹ̀ táàbì jẹ́ ẹyẹ ọ̀dá ìfẹ́ ni. Tá a bá ti nílẹ̀, a ní jẹ́ kílẹ̀ wípé a ṣàṣe. Yunifásitì àwọn aládàáni kéékèèké, ọ̀gọ́ yunifásitì tó máa jáde bí irú àwọn yunifásitì federal government, irú àwọn yunifásitì. Yunifásitì ìlú standard yẹn, òun ni mo fẹ́ ká ní.
Yes.
Tábà máa gbègbè ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ibi tílẹ̀ ẹ wà, máa sọ fún yín. Ṣé nígbà ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yẹn, ẹni tó bá wà bí kó tíṣẹ́ fáwọn tó wà ní lẹ́tà máa kárí gbogbo ilé, ó máa kárí olórí gbogbo ìjọ. Ibi tó máa wá pàdé àfẹ́ ju eléyìí lọ. Yunifásitì àjùmọ̀ní ni o, kì í ṣe yunifásitì náà ti o, kì í ṣe yunifásitì Sheikh Dende o. Yunifásitì àjùmọ̀ní ni o. Yunifásitì kí ni mo pè é? Àjùmọ̀ní ni o. Ẹnìkan ò ní ní ju ẹnìkan lọ, gbogbo alájọ ní bákan náà. Iṣẹ́ ló máa wá júwe tàlẹ́ ní Ọlọ́run. Ẹnìkan, iṣẹ́ ló máa wá júwe tàlẹ́ ní Ọlọ́run. Jókòó láì ṣiṣẹ́ kó máa jẹ́ ẹni Ọlọ́run. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati.
Adani Allahu Akbar. Yakina Allahu Akbar. Ẹja tó sọ pé Allahu Akbar kabira. That's our Mufti, Sheikh Ahmad Tijani, Ibn Sheikh Ibrahim Dende. Allah mashallah shalikun alaka to be from the one forward. May Allah keep him, may Allah preserve him for us with Deen in Islam. Wa Mufti of Tijaniyyah. Definitely, we were dying to some. When the one is a conjure, you are Alhamdulillah, so we have a walking test together. But some of the account that each of you. Musamman Bayani. Yeah, I want to join our chicken for the legacy of the Yeah, that was had a cake. Russia had a cake and Yana some Kuma by a commander Sheikh Bayan. Yana so boy and then Kilapuskasa, what we get the Kibble and the Kasagava. May I have Mugabaya? She can motivate had to love some of those who love. But I never think that more than the general five thank you. Yes, I think about them saying to our Akata. So yeah, one day come out of Mura. 2 months 6. It don't look like to clean there, Masuya, it's to one than Vegas, the side. Okumaka check the bad in Nigeria. The Ansar Gini, the Nawar Gini, the Naspat, the Soros of the Vada, soon as the young man that wants to subscribe at Vegas. Kuma Nigeria Kabada, Ina Mutijana Muki, Bamukai, kuma ba baya muke ba ga Allah, ba baya muke ba cikin hadarin Sheikh Tijani Sheikh Ibrahim. Saboda Sheikh da kansa ya ce duk almajira shi shugaban ne a duk da yake. To me yasa muke baya? Sai ce ai rashin aka kai rashin soyayya da aka ba mu daga asali shi muka mace da shi. Aka kore mu ya ba mu shawara ya ce to yanzu yana so mu sa babban project a gaban mu. Me zai ada kowa ne a duk gidajen da yake cikin wannan Lagos. In ta kai Tijjanawa ne za a zo a sake kira mu za a aika mana wato wasiƙa da za ka kawo ko mutum da daga gidanku za ka aike ce wato za mu bude babban university. Jami'a babba da za a sa sunan tafiyar Arabin wato Zawo University of Tijaniyyah. Wannan zai yi bai da wahala, amma bai zai yi bakin ba da kai ba. Dalilin idan da yake kira mu kenan yau ya kira ku sha'anin mu ba manyan ku da kuka zo, wace duk wanda ba su da idea wasu. Insha Allah kuma akwai fili da ya ce zai aiki akan ta kuma insha Allah zai gaya mana inda yake. Abin da ya rage mana kawai sun wuce sabina wa tara mun ji kuma mun biya kawai. Idan mun bi kuma muna da irin wannan yakini da shi da kamar shi ne yake da yakini da mu, to sai kuma hada kai insha Allah mun yi kuma alhamdulillah. So that is that about the summary of the old days. I've been told that this camera should not be passing this. The protocol should not please be blocking the broadcast because it's the universal broadcasting. As we are here now online, I'm meant to understand that the same will be televised in the international studio. Yeah, TVC here at Honolulu, at TVC here everyone. So it's going to be televised universally because it's still time for us for this particular actually, because I'm aware that there are those who know Tijaniyyahs are actually they cannot joke with our numbers. Our numbers are too enormous. That's why they said we should please use the number for our benefit. May Allah preserve it for us. May Allah continue to bless all our Jews and our Khalifah. May Allah give us long life and prosperity in our borders. Amen. Èyí tí ó tún tẹ̀ tí a ò sí lẹ́gbàá tí a lè fi bàbá ní àsìkò. Ó ní